Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are going to make this we are going to work on this graph. We are going
Basically we work on this graph and make these two type of shapes of this graph. And let's start.
going to make a interlocking crochet. In this graph I will tell you how to change a color. Here I will change a color, so I decided to take a short graph to tell you how to make attenuation the interlocking crochet and change a color within it. We are going to start with this red color. The color with we are going to show it's a background color. This color we will select after second color, and this will be the first color. So here this one row mean two colors row, and then this one row complete. Let's start, then you will. So we are going to make a, here is the 9 blocks, so we are going to multiply with 2, 18, and here we make 18 chains and 5 extra chains. Now we are going to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 in 6th, in 7th, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In 7th stitch we are going to make a double crochet. This one block is created, chain 1 like this, and then skip 1, and in next make a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in next make a double crochet, complete till end. Then I will show you. Here we completed 9 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and make 4 chains, 1 2 3 4. Now we take second color of this bag.
We are not counting a first row, we are counting from the pattern where the pattern start, the heart first block start.
Background, for this background we are taking this color, and here we are going to take it one less. Here in for red we are taking 9, here we are taking 8 boxes for next color, and 8 multiplied by 2, 16 plus 5. Complete this same as we do here, then I will show you. Here we are complete 8 plus 8 16 and plus 5, and now we are going to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In 7th stitch we are going to make a block like this, chain 1, skip 1, next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain, in next double crochet. Here we are going to attach with this part. For this part we are going to keep it like this. This will be on this block, and this double crochet on this empty block, it will be like this. Okay, so here we can see after our second row is started, first row of this is only 1, and for here we are going to start our second row. For second row we are going to 1 2 3 4. Background color means this color is in front, and then we need to show red color in front. So here we keep like this, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and now fifth box we are going to show red in front, so we are going to make like this. Skip 1 stitch. In next we are going to taking like this and make a double crochet like this, chain 1 like this. It will look like this. Okay, chain 1, and next another double crochet in front, skip 1, and in next make double crochet. Okay, like this, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and then double crochet. chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and last double crochet like this, and chain 4. Now 1 2 3 4 like this. It will look like this. So here our second row part 1 is completed. Now we are going to start our second row part 2, and part 2 will be with the red color. We are going to work with the red color. So here we are going to turn our work. So here we are going to read like this. So here we are going to taking like this. Okay, we are going to take like this. It will be looking like this. It's the front part, it's the back part of the work. So we are going to make double crochet on this, double crochet like this, chain 1, double crochet on this, double crochet, chain 1. So here one more double crochet on double crochet like this, chain 1. Now here we can see one, we are in first part we are going to make this line. In this part we are going to make these lines. So here we are counting 1 2 3 4 lines with front with the brown color. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 lines brown on the front. Now we are going to add red color in the front for 2 lines like this, chain 1, one more line like this, chain 1. These are 2 lines in the front. Okay, now all other lines on the back, because we need to show brown color in front. Chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and then this double crochet on the end, chain 4. Okay, now we are going to work with third row. Here are this box of red is completed. You can see here our front part and our first box is completed. Now we are going to start our second row. For second row we are going to work from here because we are on the back side. Okay, this is the brown color. So for next we are going to make these black color in front, 3 black color in front. So here is the first black color in front. Here you can see not red color. Second black color in front like this, and third black color in front. On this double crochet we make a double crochet. Now chain 1, and now we are going to show these 3 red colors in front. So this middle is already in front, we need to show these 2 in front. For this color need to be in front. You can see here we are not making in the front side, we are going to go on back side, taking this loop from here like this and making double crochet, chain 1, one more on the back side, double chain 1, and last one more on the back side, chain 1. Now other will be on the front side like this, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet on here second chain, 1 2 3 and 4. Now our second row part 1 is completed. Now we are going to start second row part 2 with the red color, and it's the front side, so here we are going to read from here. When we are going to on front side, we are read our graph from front, and when we are going to work for the back side, we are read from left. So here we are going to start our color with red. So here we are going to start. Now we are going to make 1 2 3 lines of brown black in front. 1 2 3 lines on the front. Okay, here is the first line, second line and third. These are need to be in front. Okay, no need to next line in front. So here we are going to make the red color on the back, no need to in front because brown color need to be in front. Second, we are going to make like this. Here you can see, if we are going to next in the back, then brown color will be shown in the front. No, we need to show red color in front. So three lines are completed. 1 2 3. So now we are going to make red color, and red lines are 1 2 3 4 lines. One I completed, second I am going to complete, and it's third one like this, and then fourth one like this. Okay, now chain one and other colors on the back side, because last three boxes 1 2 3 is on the brown color on the front. Chain one, and it's the last box, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we are going to see it's the second row part 2 is also completed, and it look like this. Now we are going to make third row. For third row we are going to read from here, because with brown color we are going to start, and it's on the front side. So here only two boxes are in front, one box and two. Here this box is also not need to be in front, so we are going to make one is already in front, second I made, and now chain one. Now we are going to make on the back side this box, and other one two we make on the back side. Chain one, here is third row part 2. We are going to work on from the back. So here two boxes brown in front, so 1 and 2 is in front, and now we are going to make one stitch like this. So here the first stitch like this, chain one, next stitch need to be in front like this, because red need to be in front, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines of red need to be in front. Chain one, double crochet like this, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one and double crochet, chain one, and last two on the back. Chain one and last will be on this 1 2 3 4. Okay, now it's the back side, and we are going to work next row on the back side. It's the fourth row.
Here we are going to make this technique for changing color, and this technique start from the same row shown in color.
So this is the row, fourth row with changing color. So here we change a color in part 2, fourth row part 2. In first part we are not changing color because background color will be the same, only the front color will be changing. So here we complete this row with brown color, and only one brown is need to be in front, and it's one, and next need to be on the back. Okay, chain 1. Now making all brown color on the back like this. For fourth row part A, chain 1, double crochet on the back, double crochet on the back. Now again double crochet on the back, double crochet this last one on the back, and only one here brown in the front because it need to be in front, so we make like this. Okay, chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we are going to change our color in this fourth row part B. Always we change a color in part B, not part A. So here we are going to change our color for part A. Now here we are going to only show this one brown in front and all red color on the front, except this first one, chain 1 like this. Now till here 1 2 3 4 5 with the red. 1 2 3 4, and this one is fifth one. So here is the last double crochet with red. Here we change our color and add a white color in it like this, okay, making chain 1 like this, and keep it on back side and making double crochet 2, 1, chain 1, double crochet 1 more, and only make 2 double crochet 1 and 2 with white like this, and this one also complete with red color because it's last and need to be add red color in it. So here we add a red in it like this, chain 1, and now one red on the front like this, chain 1, and one on the back like this, 1 2 3 4 like this. It will look like this. Okay, so here next row will be the same. I will show you how to make it, and I will complete part 1 and part 2 and part 3 and complete this graph, and then I will show you, because it's too easy to add a color, and I will tell you how to add a color.
It's the second technique we will work on it, and it's the work which we choose previous row to change a color.
Now I am going to start our third row, and A part. For A part, I will tell you from the previous row where we change a color, we need to change color in previous row for complete showing this color in front. So here we need to change color for fourth row. We need to change color for fourth row part, third row part A. Okay, here we are going to start like this and making a, here we are on the front side, so we read our pattern from here. Two boxes need to be empty, 1 and 2. One is this one and 2 is this one. Now chain 1 and next one need to be on the front side, so we are taking brown on the back side like this. It's this one I made. Now 1 2 3 on the back side, 1 2 3 on the back side. Now for fourth one we change color, because here the upper box is with white color, so we change here, we change a color with white. We are taking like this and complete the double crochet like this and making chain 1 and taking that double crochet with white, and only one stitch is with white, so we again change our color with brown like this and chain 1, and now 2 boxes on the front, so 2 1 chain 1 and second one brown on the front like this, chain 4 1 2 3 4, and it will look like this. Okay, on the back side it will look like this. Okay, now we are going to start our now third row and part B. For part B we are going to on back side we are going to work for part B, so we are reading our graph from here. So here 2 box need to be brown on the front, 1 and 2 need to be brown, 1 chain 1, and when I made this, these 2 boxes is need to be 1 and 2, and now third box with red color, sorry, so we here 2 red, 2 brown on the front. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 red on the front. So here we are going to start 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It's on front side. Now chain 1 and 2 on the back side, 1 2. Now second row is color changing row, so here we are going to start from Now we are going to start our fourth row, a part it on the back side. So we read this graph from here. This is the one block brown here in the front, and it's on the front. Now second one is on the back, and second one is the last one to change a color. So here next we change a color like this, double crochet, chain one, and next we need to show white color on the front. So we will take like this, chain one, it's the only one stitch. So here we need to change our color again into brown, chain one, and double crochet, chain one, 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 double crochet, sorry, not on the front, double crochet last on the front like this, and chain 4, 1 2 3 4. Now second part on the front, B part will be on the front. So we read graph from here. So according to the graph, only one stitch need to be shown brown in the front. So it's the one stitch on the front side, So now here B part, for B part, one stitch brown need to be on front, second on the red front like this. Now next is also red like this, chain one, red, it's all red, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we all take it red. Then I will tell you here the graph making help you. If you make only one block of changing color or any other color, you need to change two blocks in this horizontal in vertical portion. You need to change two rows color. If you only make one, then this color is not to be shown perfectly in the front. Chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, and double crochet in the front, this one too on the front side, and last chain one and last will be on the back side, because one brown need to be shown. 1 2 3 4, it will look like this. Now we are going to make next row the same we do here in the fourth row. We make the fifth row the same we do it like here, and then I will complete and I will show you.